Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I am joining in today with one of my awesome friends, Rental Life Luxury by M. I have been watching her channel for some time, and she does have an awesome channel. Today is Fall Glam Coffee Bar Decor. I saw hers and I just had to join in. I hope you go over and check hers out. It is beautifully put together, and she knows how to put glam into everything she does. So please go check out what she did and all the other awesome creators that joined in on this challenge. Now let's go see what Grandma did. As I was putting back the pieces that normally go in this corner, I decided to put a second tea station up. So if you want to see the two tea stations, please watch the whole entire video and tell me which one you like the best. Hugs and kisses. Oh, don't leave yet. Let's go see what Grandma did. We have two tea stations today. Let me know which one you like the best. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. So excited to see you here this morning to check out my new elegant tea bar or coffee bar. Now I don't drink coffee, so mine's a tea bar. And I'm very blessed and so thankful that you're all here. This tray and everything on it is not new, but I thought it looked so pretty, I thought I would put it in to my coffee or tea bar station. Now mine is very small because I have a very small kitchen, but I thought it looked a little elegant even as I say that. And here we go, how it turned out. There's only one new piece in this whole tea bar that I put together today, and I wonder if you can guess which piece it is. Think back and think if you've seen any of these items before. Okay, giving up, I'm going to show you what was the only thing new. Here it is, and it was $8, and I bought it at Home Goods about a week ago when I went and bought a few other things for I could finish up my Mad Hatter Tea Party video. And I saw this as I was checking out. You know how it is at Home Goods. They put all those cute little items right before you check out, and I couldn't pass it up. It was only $8. I thought it was pretty, especially for fall or something elegant. Because it's all in gold and clear, there's a little gold here at the top, and of course the tray itself. I thought it was very pretty, and it's not too big. And for someone like me that has a very small home, this is a perfect little piece. Just big enough for two little cupcakes for me and Grandpa, and 2 cups for, well, Grandpa does drink coffee, so probably one will be coffee and one will be tea. But anyway, I put some green tea bags in this display. That was the only thing new. These are my candle holders that we talked about last week. And Grandma still has not found her candles that she misplaced. I'm going to be so unhappy if I have to go buy more candles to make it for Thanksgiving and Christmas, because these are such beautiful candlesticks. I want to at least use them a couple more times. So Grandma's going to hope for the best. She finds where she misplaced them. Now the beautiful little tray, I bought it some time ago when I bought my new light in my kitchen. So I've had that a while. All the fall accessories, the leaves, the pumpkins, the pine cones, I think most of them have been bought this year. I think the little pine cones and these were bought over at Walgreens, if you can believe they came in a set. And these also came with them too. And they came with these beautiful little leaves back here also. And the candle right here, I have a pair of them now, and I got them at Aldi's. I was thinking when I burn them all up this year, because I think I'm going to burn them all fall, so I probably won't be able to use them next year if I don't buy some new ones. But since I have a pair of them, I thought maybe they'd make a really cute center display, maybe for next year, with some flowers, for you can sit down and visit with somebody but still have a nice centerpiece on your table but don't have any height. What do you think? I'm really thinking that would be a great idea. But they smell heavenly. They have a wonderful pumpkin odor, but they're not overwhelming the room, just enough to be perfect. So I also have these little pumpkins. I may have bought them this year. They might have been from last year. I can't remember. They're from Dollar Tree. And since I didn't have my candles, I thought they looked cute. This beautiful fall greenage was bought at Joann's, and I think I bought this back in August or something on a clearance sale. I thought it looked different for fall and have a little bit, instead of such bright orange, sort of muted colors, and I really do like it, and it was a great find for me. And the the leaves go so well with all the leaves on the drain board here, I thought. Well, let me know what you thought about this glamorous fall tea or coffee station. Like I said, this is my tea station. Thank you all for stopping by. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. You all know my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, miniature gardening, home decor, cleaning, cooking, DIY projects, or whatever else Grandma can think of. And did I say shopping hauls? I don't know. Shopping hauls. You know Grandma loves to shop. But she does have to calm it down this year, because we're going to start some new projects the first of the year, and I need money to do it. So I will be doing some other new things that I haven't done in the past on my channel. Bye-bye for now. Kisses and hugs. If I haven't seen you before. When I was putting everything back in this corner, what's usually here, I changed it around a little bit, and I thought I'd let you see how it turned out. Which one of these tea stations did you like best? The very first one that I put together, or this one? This one has a little bit of Halloween vibe. But this is the one that's going to be here until Halloween is over. And I thought it turned out pretty cute. What do you think? Leave me a comment in the comment section. Like I said, there's only one new piece in this whole coffee, tea, or coffee bar station. The only piece that's new is this, with the two little cupcakes. Now these cups are much smaller, and they're just for a nice calming cup of tea in the morning or at evening time. My granddaughter bought me this whole tea service, the teapot, the saucers, and all the beautiful cups. Is it not beautiful? And I always love using this piece back here. I use it in a lot of my setups because I can pick it up and move it around so easily. And my teacups fit in there perfectly. Just love it. I bought these little guys last year. Are they not the cutest thing you've seen? I have used them in multiple coffee bars, tablescapes, and probably will be using them in some Halloween miniature gardens also this October. And I really thought this part right here turned out so pretty, and none of this is new. I'm just repurposing what I already have. You can have a small area in your home and still make it look elegant. Like I said, this is a very, very small corner of my kitchen, and my kitchen's very small too, so I can't have something that takes a lot of space up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Hugs and kisses. Until the very end. I love you all so much. If you stayed this long, you got to see a second tea station. By any chance, if you're not already following me, please think about maybe starting. Don't forget to click down there to start following. And especially don't forget to click that button to make sure that you get all of my awesome reminders about videos up, and do check them out. Bye bye for now.